The ever increasing pressures on cost, innovation, shorter time to market are pushing all the telecom service providers and enterprises to cloud. It brings in innovative consumption model of resources. TSPs and enterprises are migrating their applications on private, public, or hybrid cloud. It is a land of huge opportunities and menacing threats, therefore. Mahindra Cloud Practice is a leading service provider for application infrastructure and OS level migration. We have a very well proven framework which comprises of processes and tools. The whole idea of application migration for Mahindra Practice is to industrialize it, automate it, and make it more faster. We have industrialized application migration as a service uh, into a repeatable, reusable model which leverages our innovation capabilities, our partnership strengths in the areas of migration tools, and it standardizes all the processes that are followed in the migration. Mahindra Cloud Practice provides services from analyzing, consultancy services, migration services, testing services, and then manage support for the application that are migrated onto cloud. The practice has consultancy and technology resources spread all across the world. The best of the breed resources help enterprises and telcos to migrate their applications on cloud. It has a various end-to-end solutions and tools very well integrated to automate the entire application migration. And that is one of the key differentiator Mahindra Cloud Practice has for enterprises and telcos. By the 5-step framework, processes, standardized tool, and best practices across industries, we try and help telcos and enterprises to migrate their applications to cloud faster in a secured way, and we manage those applications migrated to cloud in a cost effective way. And that perhaps the power of Mahindra's migration as a service solution.